Hello everyone, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation of the Springfield District Technology Plan for the 2017-2018 school year. My name is David Colonna and I am the head of the Technology Committee here in the Springfield District. First of all, I want to share with you a little bit about our role and vision of the Technology Committee. We want to continually assess the use of technology within the district, and then we utilize research to make recommendations of how technology can be used and enhanced across the district. Our vision is to be at the forefront of effectively and efficiently utilizing technology, and our committee is made up of a wide range of administrators and teachers from all levels of the district, as well as numerous IT specialists, board members, parents, and other faculty members. I also want to emphasize that we're not seeking to simply introduce technology in the classroom for the sake of having technology. I love this quote from William Ferreter, which says, "Technology is a tool, not a learning outcome." Our goal is not to add technology to the classroom so that we can just tell others we use technology, but our goal is truly to enhance student achievement through integrating technology effectively in every classroom. It is really about student achievement, not just getting technology in the schools. So our big initiative for this year is to implement a one-to-one device program throughout the Springfield district. We want every student within our schools to have access to a network device. Now, the question though is, how are we going to do this? Well, we've tried to break this major initiative up into a couple of goals. Our first goal is we need to enhance the infrastructure at all of our campuses. The primary task involved with this goal is the enhancement of Wi-Fi access at all campuses. This is essential, as researchers Whitehead, Jensen, and Boshi wrote, with the ease of using and accessing wireless technologies in the classroom, the direction for school technology infrastructure should be centered on setting up a strong wireless network across the school. Improved access to the Wi-Fi is the fuel that allows a one-to-one device program to be successful. Secondly, in this goal, we want to develop more flexible learning spaces within our classroom. As the classrooms introduce network devices into the students' hands, the basic setup of many of the rooms will need to change. Researchers Neal and Etheridge write, "Investment in flexible learning space design supports students and faculty and reinforces institutional commitment to educational excellence." Therefore, we will need to rearrange our furniture in many of the classrooms. Where do we put the tables and the desk, and where do we have the board located? And we might even consider purchasing modular furniture in the future. Now, the second primary goal of our technology plan is to ensure that the one-to-one device program truly benefits student learning. First, when we were deciding what device to select for our program, we decided to utilize Chromebooks. Now, this was for three main reasons. First of all, the Google platform, including Google Docs and Google Classroom, allow for tremendous collaboration to occur amongst the students, whether they're in the same room or not. Also, these devices are excellent for students to create products. Now, tablets such as iPads, they're excellent for viewing and consuming content. Chromebooks allow the students to create content. And then finally, Chromebooks are very cost effective in comparison to laptops and many of the tablets we've researched. And then secondly, we really want to develop 21st century learners here in Springfield. And that means we want to help our students enhance their ability to think critically, communicate, collaborate, and create. The one-to-one device program will enhance the students' skills in all of these areas. For example, access to the internet will provide students with endless amounts of information on any topic. Now, with the use of these devices, teachers can help students see how to think critically about information, and they can teach them how to become media literate. Also, communication and collaboration will rise as students can work together on producing products, no matter the time or their location. And finally, as already mentioned, the Chromebooks are built to allow people to create products, not just consume content. And finally, we want to show that our school is in line with the ISTE standards. That's the International Society for Technology and Education. This initiative relates to more than a dozen of the standards that these people have come up with for administrators, teachers, and students. So I'll just mention a few that this organization has come up with. According to ISTE, administrators should establish and maintain a robust infrastructure for technology, including integrated, interoperable technology systems to support management, operations, teaching, and learning. Teachers, according to ISTE, should develop technology-enriched learning environments that enable all students to pursue their individual curiosities and become active participants in their own educational goals. And finally, ISTE says students should interact, collaborate, and publish with peers, experts, or other employing a variety of digital environments and media. These are just a few examples of the ISTE standards that this one-to-one initiative will meet, and there's many more. And finally, the big question, of course, is how are we going to fund this? Well, we hope to secure funds from a number of sources. Specifically, we are going to seek an E-rate grant from the federal grant. We are also hoping to utilize a large portion of the district technology budget. And then finally, we're hoping to secure donations from various agencies and stakeholders in the community. Thank you again for listening to our proposal, and I look forward to partnering you with this on this exciting initiative.